Hapa juu ndio zipata jua mzuri above the tank. Good morning guys, how are you doing? Good morning guys, how are you doing? It's Wathoni here. I hope that you're doing fine. I am doing well. Today I am coming at you in the kitchen. I want to show you something very interesting. I want to make bone broth, specifically camel broth. Now I have been taking this soup for quite some time now, and I have really grown to like it a lot. Now I read somewhere that if you get used to taking this kind of broth, you're going to be what? You're going to grow a hump and be a champ in badminton, something like that. But this is not the reason why I take the soup. I take the soup because it helps me. At least that is how I feel. I feel that it helps me. I normally buy camel bones in town, in Nakuru town, at a place called, I think it's Tawakal. Is it Tawakal or Chakal? No, Chakal is a character in some animation. It's definitely Tawakal. 1 kg of the bones goes for 300 shillings. And this 1 kg, if you're a normal person, you can boil like 3 times, I think. But if you are an abnormal person like I am, you can boil them like 6 times. What happens? You boil the first time. Of course, after the soup is finished, you boil again. Then after the second time, you take the bones, put them out on the sun to dry so that you can boil them again. Yeah, let us make this soup as we talk about the benefits of this soup. So I am going to leave you here for a few minutes. This is a typical village kitchen. Of course, that's me. That's some things that we store there. That is the brooding area, and that is where we do all the cooking. Maybe you want to boil githeri and all that stuff, just take firewood, unaweka huko ndani, you light your fire, you start with whatever that you want to prepare. The reason the fire is out because the soup was ready like 30 minutes ago, and I wanted it to cool. I didn't want to take it when it's hot. I wanted it to cool for some time because it's also hot. Today the sun is shining so bright. And so yeah, let me leave you here for some few minutes and I go get the blender. This is a soup. You thought it was a whole sufuria? No. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of bones, they normally cost me 300 shillings. And that is like $3. And for this $3, I take the soup for a week, every day. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening. I take the soup every day. And that is why ikwangi mingi. Today I think I overcooked it and ika dry, but it's only for me. No one else takes it. My mother doesn't like it, and other people don't like it, so it's only mine. So what don't I know. I know guys, before you lecture me about that sufuria, I think you know. Before you lecture me about that sufuria it's in best conditions, as in it does boiling for like the whole day. So but don't worry, I'm going to wash it. But you know what, the sootiness add some flavor to the soup. So don't lecture me. Hapa ni butchery, by the way. Amwendangi kupiga kelele kwa butchery, so that is all fine. Don't worry about the sufuria, so long as the soup is boiled. We are going to wash it after tumeanika hizi. This is rosemary leaves, rosemary something, and I'm just going to get like 2 pieces. I'll show you that. They are washed. Can you see them? So the reason why I add rosemary is because I love the smell. You have to sieve because we don't want the rosemary leaves to be imejaa. Well, since it is only mine and I don't want to leave any in the blender, I'm going to do this. Let me tell you guys why I take this soup. First, I think if you do some sort of research, you're going to see that the soup helps with your legs, with your joints, with your... I think if you have issue with arthritis, then you can take the soup. It generally makes your bones strong. I think it is a good thing if you make it a habit of taking it. Okay, some people don't like it because it has this taste, but if you like the regular soup, then this one is not going to be an issue. How did I learn about the soup? I learned about the soup in 2017, 2018. My dad is the one who introduced me to this soup. Now, back in those days, 2017 and 2018, my dad was very, very sick. He formed a habit of drinking the camel soup and a lot of water. And you know, those two things, they helped him a lot. So if you ask me, why do you take the soup? I'll simply say, because my dad took it. I think it worked magic on him. You know what? Until his last day, like until the day that he breathed his last, my dad was very strong. He walked on his 2 legs until the last day. Hakubebwa na mtu. So if you ask me why I take this soup, then I'll tell you, because it worked on my dad, it is going to work on me. I hope that you're going to try this. Research on the same, and you can do your own conclusion. I am sure you're going to like it. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I am very happy that you have decided to work with me at this space. You're going to learn a lot of hacks from me, especially hair related and food related. I hope that you shall continue connecting. Thank you for subscribing. Continue sharing, continue commenting, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have something that you want me to show you, or to try, or to just anything, you can communicate to me. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Wathoni Iguanya. Thank you. I think I need to go now. I have said thank you so many times. Thank you guys. I'll see you. Definitely I'll see you next time. Bye bye.